We have our first phone caller on the line, Stephanie from Bay County. She has a question about being prepaid for work. Stephanie, you can go ahead with your question now.
Hi, I prepaid a fencing company to install a fence. This was right after Hurricane Michael. Needless to say, I never got a fence, and this company has moved out of town. And I don't know what to do.
Okay. Stephanie, do you still have all the contact information for that company that supposedly sold you a fence and you paid them?
Yes.
About how much was that fence, or how much did you pay them?
I think it was $7,500.
We've run across this a lot, and I say a lot. I mean, unfortunately, it's more common than we would like to even see in our community. We all have suffered as a result of Hurricane Michael back in 2018, and a lot of people are still putting the pieces back together, like yourself, trying to get their home or their property back the way it was and back in a condition pre-storm. I would highly recommend you contact the Bay County Sheriff's Office. They have a contractor fraud hotline or contractor fraud department that has been investigating these claims, and our office as well has been very instrumental in getting some of these claims paid and assisting in the prosecution, not necessarily on the state attorney's side, but providing the court and providing our clients and with someone to help them present their case to the sheriff's office and collect all the information and stuff. So if you can always do that, but in the state of Florida, you always have the right to take someone to court, and you actually have the right to sue them, so to speak. So even though they've moved on and they're no longer here, if they're still in business and we still have a valid contact for them, you can always file a lawsuit because you actually paid them and to do a service, perform a job for you, and they have failed to do that. And so there should be, an implied contract there between you two guys if you didn't sign anything, but you have the documentation to show you paid the $7,500. So you're always free to hire an attorney and to prosecute them, not criminally, but prosecute them in civil case, and hire an attorney to represent you on that.